story time! A story about two cousins playing Roblox. A weird player following them. I was playing with my cousin to the next day. It was like a normal day. Then we saw this guy named Jacob. Okay. And it was weird, but we decided to ignore it because it's just a random username and a random player. Then we made a biggest mistake ever. When we were playing, we saw the guy like following us, and my cousin said, I think it's just a random guy. So I agree because every people's like they're following, but it's actually just going to a same place. Then for a few hours, this guy still follow us in other games. But it was weird. But how? Because you cannot be followed by the same guy because you didn't even unfriend him. Then we were started playing, ignore the guy, and we got a shiver on the spine because it was very scary. Then we had much fun and didn't remember the guy. But then we saw the guy again and just impressed. He was in a very scary room. And then he saw us and started to chase us.